welcome to MX Breakz, ladies and gentlemen, and you're most welcome to the Ghana month. Well, I'm excited for this. I know that Ghana is going to do amazing well. Of course, we're doing well in every corner. But for this month, you are allowed to call me Asiedua Asiamah. My name is Asiedua Asiamah. Yes, yes, yes. And as I said, you're most welcome to MX Breakz, where on this show, I get to give you everything: entertainment, lifestyle, food, fashion, and many more. As far as it's trending, there is definitely something to talk about. Now, let's move on to our first story for today, and we're talking about Agradaa. Yes, evangelist Patricia Asiedua is back from prison. Okay, from the female Nsawam prison. Now, after serving 8 months in jail, okay, originally given a 15-year sentence, she has successfully served 8 months in jail, and she's been released, and it's such an overwhelming time for her. So there are videos to that. Let's take a look at the videos. One person that I would like to comment a lot during this whole Agradaa issue is her husband. Big ups to him. He stood by her, and not just stood by her, he held her down. And so I'm just so happy that such a man was in her corner.